Hi, Patric here, and today I thought about sharing a bit about Facebook. And the reason why I thought about Facebook is because I'm actually on a short break right now, holiday, and my Facebook ads is running. And at the same time, I've seen many experts out there are teaching about Facebook. Now, first and foremost, I want to make it clear that I'm not a Facebook marketing expert. What I do is that I do digital marketing, and Facebook is just one of the marketing channels that I have for my business. And the interesting part, and also the fun part, is that while I'm on holiday right now, my Facebook ads are actually running for my business, for my internet marketing business. Now, the key thing I want to share about this whole Facebook idea, Facebook strategy is that I see many courses out there, experts claiming to have like some kind of secret strategy, secret tips and so on that can make your ads to become very successful or lower your costs and everything else. So let's speak about lowering the cost of your ads. Now, truthfully, in order for you to succeed with Facebook marketing, you don't really need to be a Facebook ads ninja, so to speak. So that's the so-called biggest misconception that people have. They think that there is some kind of like secret formula that will make you extremely successful with Facebook ads. Now, yes, there are good strategies and poor strategies, but I think that knowing what works, it's more than enough in that sense. What's more important is understanding the whole mindset of how Facebook ads actually works. Now, let me explain this a bit further. Why you don't need to become a Facebook ads ninja to lower your costs. Because if you think again, if you want to succeed with Facebook ads, there are actually two key things that will make or break your ads. The first thing is the offer itself. Now, what's more important is that is your ad converting or not. Now, for me, of course, I want to have lower costs, but I'm more focused towards the ROI in the sense that if I'm running ads, if my ads are converting well, the offer is converting, I'm a happy person, right? Then I can have holiday, and the Facebook ads is helping me to run my business in that sense. I wouldn't say run the business, but in terms of the marketing, in terms of promotion, in terms of selling the products, it is all running right now. The second thing that is more important is to think more on the long-term insights, the thoughts that instead of trying to get sales today, where most people are thinking like, how can I run an ad and try to make some money? What's more important is the whole concept of the back-end strategy. So if you build a business, right, you want to focus on your offer, which means that your offer is converting well for you so that you know what you're doing, you're not losing money in that sense. And secondly, is that your back-end strategy. Like if you get a new leads, if you get new sales, what's next? How would you build relationship with your customers, your prospect, so that you build the trust, you and them, and they will want to do more business with you. They will be more interested to know what else you have. Now, those are all the so-called back-end strategies. So that's what I have to share with you today. A very short video is to let you know that, hey, you know what? Even though it's good to have some tactical approach with Facebook, but truthfully, what's more important is actually the offer that you have, that your offer can convert and adds value to your prospects or your customers, and you have a long-term insight, like what you really want to do with all of the prospects and customers that you're acquiring from Facebook. Alright, that's it. This is Patrick here, signing off.